How to fix if your YouTube loading is slow. Now, in order to fix this issue, first of all, you need to figure out what might be causing this problem. There might be some obvious ones such as internet service providers. Now, if your internet is really slow, this might cause this kind of problem. Now in this case, you need to open some other applications such as Facebook, Instagram, or any other application that you use and see if those applications are also facing lags. In that case, it is probably your internet connections issue or your phone's issue. If your phone's issue is causing this, then there's nothing much that you can do about it other than updating your device. If your ISP is causing this issue, contact the ISP to fix the internet connection. Or this problem might be caused because of YouTube's internal server errors and things like that. In that case, you cannot do anything other than waiting for a few hours. I hope this video was helpful to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.